I tell you, a heavy use deck system here behind me. He drives his tractor up onto it after he mows his grass, and there's a service berry tree right here, right next to it, and all day long these little service berries and leaves and sticks and stuff fall on it, and the way its spindles are configured, it catches all that in between the band board and the spindles. And this lower deck system, I'm here in Hebron, and this lower deck system, it's what I call a heavy use system, and they can be a little bit more to maintain, right? First off, you're like, who is this weirdo, right? My name's Anthony Ford. I'm here representing the amazing power of a lifetime deck armor system that we call Kong armor, a thick build, high stretch deck armor that's designed to last the user for life of ownership, and it's designed for decks, docks, fences, outdoor structures, high stretch to put up with movement, just tough as nails coating system, right? You guys may know us. We're notorious for what we call peeling deck paint lockdown encapsulation. We help a lot of people that have peeling bare deck over, peeling deck paints. We can encapsulate their deck because our coating's so thick. We can encapsulate it without sanding and all that nasty stuff, right? But I get asked all the time, hey, how does your lifetime deck armor system, how does Kong armor, how does it compare? How does it stack up against composite? And everybody wants to, I think a lot of people have it in their mind that composite is some type of competitor to us. It's really not. Composite has no comparison to the Kong armor system, none whatsoever. And I'm going to tell you why. I personally believe, and I restore and look at 300 or 400 deck systems a year. I personally believe that composite has no advantages outside of wood after the first 5 years. The first 5 years, maybe a little bit, but so let me. This is what we call a lower deck system, and what we've done here today. What I've done, this is an existing system that we have, so these are already customers of ours, and this is a deck system that gets pretty dirty daily. What we've done here is something that we call regeneration. So Kong has the ability to be regenerated. Our coating system can be regenerated at any time during life of ownership, either under warranty or under a service promise. If they do have to pay for it, it's super cheap, right? And what you're seeing here, why this looks a little bit different, a little bit off colored, is because we just completed regeneration. Here in a couple days, as this cures out and this deck system starts to take on a little bit of the mud and the dirt and that type of stuff that it takes on daily, you won't be able to tell the difference so much. What we didn't do, and again, tough deck system to maintain, let me tell you. You can kind of see it's cleaned off now because I blew it off, but these catch a lot of leaves and stuff in here, and these are constantly wet and moist, and that causes problems for any coating system, right? It doesn't matter the makeup of it, if it's a thick build elastomer system or if it's some type of thin latex system. Constant moisture will cause problems regardless. What we didn't do here when we initially, this was a peeling bare deck over lockdown encapsulation. So this whole lower floor here had peeling bare deck over, and we brought the Kong system in and encapsulated it. It was a mess. If I can find a picture of it, I'll insert it in here. It's super awesome that these clients here can call Kong, and we're here local. We're not in another state pretending to be here locally, right? We're here locally. This is Hebron. You know, we're based out of Crittenden, so it takes us about 20 minutes to get here. But we're here locally, and they can call us anytime they have problems. They can get, they have some type of damage, they can get it fixed super easily. If there's something that we need to warranty for them, something that's our fault, we can fix it super quickly. You don't get that. There's no company out there that will offer you that with composite. Let me show you what we didn't do here the other year. We didn't do this upstairs part, right? And I'll tell you, every year, and again this year, I have a lady that asked me for her deposit back and said, I changed my mind, I'm going with composite, right? I said, okay, you can have it back. Didn't argue with her, nothing like that, right? But this is what happens, in my opinion. You know, I'm not dogging anybody or anything like that, but composite is not going to be a miracle cure for you. This is composite decking here. It looks horrid. It looks absolutely disgusting. It cannot be regenerated. Our system can be regenerated anytime. Life of ownership can be regenerated. Call the composite guy and see if he'll regenerate your composite for you. He's going to tell you to get lost, right? It fades, it cracks, it chips, it warps and bends, and it gets these green algae clusters growing on it. You can see kind of here what's going on. Just like wood, it has to be refinished. And to think otherwise is silly and goofy. To think otherwise is silly and goofy. It's absurd for somebody to think that they're going to stick down composite and never maintenance it, never have to wash it, never have to recoat it or coat it again. Did you guys know that all the composite that they're making now has these little tiny grooves in them? You know what those grooves are designed to do? Those grooves are designed to hold for adhesion for coating, because they know you're going to have to coat your composite. As a matter of fact, we resurface more and more composite systems now every year than we ever did initially. Dog scratches, stains, warping, bending, cracking. I've seen them crack in half, right? The first 5 years you get a composite, yes, I think it has some good advantages. It's tough, it's strong, but after those 5 years are up, same as wood. Has to be taken care of. If you don't take care of it, right? Same thing that they said about, you know, I'm sure when he did this, they told him, hey, mildew will never grow on it, mold will never grow on it. It's got these UV blockers and this and that in it. It'll be perfect, beautiful for life. It'll be hard, tough. You never have to do anything, right? And look, we don't do that at Cole. We have all that stuff. We got the UV blockers. We got the tough stuff. We got all the technology in our coating system that they got in composite. But what we don't do is we don't run from our problems, right? We create lifetime deck armor systems that have the ability to be truly regenerated. Okay? Our customers have the ability to maintain a beautiful deck system. So what if they have to pay for something every couple years? Let's be honest with each other. Let's be honest with each other. Let's just say our customer does have to pay for, I don't know, something silly like having a little area of their floor recoated out or something like that. If there was some type of damage. Kong's tough though, man. I'll tell you, it doesn't take you have to give it a licking for it to give up. It's a tough coating system. But let's be honest and say they did have to pay for it. Regeneration is what we call it. Isn't it a blessing that they have it in the first place? Who else on the planet offers you that? Who else on the planet will offer you lifetime warranty and promise you that if you can show them something that's their fault for life of ownership, they'll cover the coating and they'll cover the labor? Who else will do that? Certainly not Composite. Get on the line and try to replace one of these composite planks right now. You're going to get a 1-800 number. You're going to get elevator music. And when they come on, you're not getting a composite plank. You're not getting it. If you do, you might as well have pulled a tooth out or something. I mean, it'd have been more simple for you to have your teeth pulled than to get composite from them on a warranty. Okay. Kong. Composite is not even a competitor of Kong. It has nowhere near the advantages. None. None. Kong customers have annual cleaning that they can get from the company. Kong customers can have their system regenerated. Kong customers have the toughest deck armor system in the world right now, the most advanced. We use the word toughest, most versatile. There's a reason why we use that word versatile. There's a reason why. Composite is not very versatile. It can't be regenerated. It can't be repaired and all this stuff, right? You just have to replace it. Kong is versatile. If you want a deck that requires no maintenance, do yourself a favor and buy a ticket to Disneyland, because that's not reality. Okay? Decks require maintenance. They require annual cleaning. They require inspection to make sure everything's okay. If you don't want to do that stuff, get a company that will do it for you, like Kong Armor, right? Instead of hey, I'm going to take my life savings. Hey, I'm going to take my life savings and I'm going to spend it on this. This is what I'm going to spend my life savings on, because I never want to do deck maintenance again, right? Look. KongArmor.com. Get a true lifetime deck armor system and a company that will stay with you and help you maintain it for life of ownership. That's it. It's simple. There's no other way to beat the sun. There's no other way to beat the elements. I've preached this for years, and year after year I hear these people, 3 or 4 people every year will say, can I have my deposit back? Hey, I think I'm going to get composite. Sure. Absolutely, go for it. Knock yourself out. KongArmor.com. Get a real deck armor system and get a real company that'll stand behind you. And protect you. Instead of that, you don't want that.